and welcome back to day 5 of 100 days of Power BI. I'm super excited. Today is day 5 and it has been an interesting learning journey. We are starting a new course today, which is Introduction to DAX in Power BI.
Hi, I'm Jess. I will be your instructor for this introductory course on DAX. We'll cover the basics of DAX and have you writing DAX calculations before you know it. DAX stands for Data Analysis Expressions. It is a formula language used in Power BI that provides the ability to create columns, tables, and measures. If you've ever used Excel formulas and functions, good news! DAX is to Power BI what formulas are to Excel. For example, the sum function is the same in Excel as it is in DAX. DAX is more than just Power BI. It is used in other Microsoft tools, including analysis services and Power Pivot. Functions are predefined formulas that perform calculations on specific values, called arguments, in a particular order. Each function has a specific syntax indicating the order of arguments to be expected. DAX has over 200 different functions that fall into several categories, including aggregation, date and time, logical, text, and many more. You can find a full list of all functions and their syntax in Microsoft's documentation linked here. Let's take a look at 2 examples, starting with the sum function. The sum function takes a column and adds up all the numbers. It has one argument. In the example, we are summing the sales column. The left function takes 2 arguments, a string and an integer. It returns a specified number of characters from the start of the string. In our example, we input DataCamp and specify 4 characters, which returns data. Calculated columns can be very useful as they enable us to expand our existing dataset without editing the source.